Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another Gypsy for sale in Bangalore, and this is a 2009 vehicle which has been completely modified. And right now we are going to review on this vehicle. This is a Karnataka registered vehicle, and the FCE is up to 2037, second owner vehicle. So this vehicle has been upgraded with 235/75 15 Maxis tires. Bead lock rims have been installed. Off-roading bumpers have been installed from Prad. Shackles have been installed in this, dog bone shackles. And you can just check out, the vehicle has been completely painted with a black one completely. Both body as well as hardtop has been completely painted. So you can just check out, this is a Euro 3 MPFI engine, readily available for sale. Both insurance as well as RC card is valid. You can just check out, all set of 5 tires are being upgraded with Maxis, and we have a Snorkel in this. You can just check out the Snorkel. The body line of the vehicle is very beautiful enough, very neat. You can just check out how beautiful it is. So you can just have a look at the back view of the vehicle. The vehicle is coming with a tire carrier which has been installed in this, and Automack headers have been installed in this. So vehicle is in a mint condition, and also interiors we have Creata seats and Innova seats installed in this. Very beautiful enough, well maintained vehicle. So you can just check how beautiful it is, and it is pleasure to drive a Gypsy on the roads. Petrol engine, 4x4 MPFI Euro 3, readily available for sale in Bangalore. So right now I'll be showing you the interiors of the vehicle. You can just check out the interiors of the vehicle. The interiors are with a brand new dashboard, and the seats are installed with a Creata seats with a brand new seat covers. And this vehicle is coming with a power steering in this. Music system is available, and you can just check out, Innova seats have been installed on the rear for a passenger to be seated. Completely a modified vehicle with a Karnataka registration. Completely a done up vehicle with all mechanically perfect. The vehicle is in running condition, very beautifully maintained by the owner. The price which we are quoting is 7 lakhs, slightly negotiable. Only serious requested buyers are requested to please do contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore, and also we modify Gypsies and Jeeps in Bangalore. You can just check out, this is the Gypsy which we have modified our customer as per the customer requirements. We have upgraded with the off-roading bumpers, off-roading rims, empty tires, shackles, limb raisers, Snorkel, paint job, hardtop. So completely with an upgrade of 1.6 Baleno engine installed in this. So very beautifully done up, and also we have installed a tire carrier in this. Both the vehicles are available with the tire carrier, and the red vehicle is available with a farm jack. So you can just check out. So right now only black vehicle is up to sale in Bangalore. So you can just have a look at the red vehicle. Red vehicle is our own vehicle. As per the customer requirement we have upgraded, and this is not for sale. And the total cost which has come up to, say, up to the upgrades has come up to 9 lakhs for this vehicle. And basically this vehicle is readily available for sale. Modified Gypsies who are looking in Bangalore or anywhere across India, we would be providing you NOC on this also. So black is readily available for sale. The price which you are quoting is 7 lakhs, slightly negotiable. Please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.